My name's Sam, I'm from RoboLabs. I'm here to talk to you today about what myself and the team have cooked up for the Canto Online Hackathon for Chapter 1 Season 6. Alright, let's get into it. So what we've built is a generic alerts engine for crypto users. Essentially, this allows users to jump on and create an alert for any event or function that occurs on the blockchain. So let's dig in. I'll give an example of a particular alert, which is wrapped Canto whale transfer event. You got two options: poll function or on-chain event. Poll function will periodically call a function and you can test the response. On-chain event will be any event emitted from the blockchain. So let's go through we've selected Canto as network. The contract address is wrapped Canto. We want to trigger the event on the transfer function. And then we could trigger always, but we have the option to do a conditional test on that event. So what we're doing is we're checking that the amount is greater than 100,000 wrapped Canto. So we only want to know when there is more than 100,000 wrapped Canto being transferred. So let's jump over here. We have, for the notification side of things, we can get a Discord message on a Discord channel, or Telegram, Twitter, and Gmail. These three are not actually supported by the front end, but it's all supported in the back end by the API. So I'll just give a quick demo of how you get the Discord URL. So you jump into Edit Channel, Integrations, and I've prepared this one earlier. Just go to New Webhook, and this is where the URL comes from. So I'll drop that in here. I'll give it a display name, Canto Whale, and then you can just chuck in any PNG link. So I just grab this whale, we'll chuck it in there. Now for the messages, where things get fun, you can configure the message however you like. So I've chucked in Canto whale transfer detected, threw in some emojis of whales, and then you can embed information about the event. So args indicates the argument of the on-chain event. So args2 is the amount. We just scale it so it's the correct decimals. So this will say like 2000 wrapped Canto sent from address to address. So these will be formatted as addresses and have links to dbank. Now I also want to link to the transaction hash. So I'll just grab the tuber.build URL, chuck it in here, and then I'll put the keyword for transaction hash. So that means we'll get a link to the transaction hash as well. Might just make this bold, underline for a bit of fun. Cool, so that's the alert. Now there's a suite of applications this has. So security alerts, wallet transactions, balance alerts. It can be a supporter aid in trading to detect abnormalities or trading activity, price, LP positions. And it's also really useful for helping manage active strategies as well. So you can track where the health of, say, a perp position or your lending is. What's really cool about this is that it's built API first. So this is just a front end plugged into a back end. So we want to demonstrate that by building this cool little app. So what this app is it will trigger, it allows users to jump on here and create alerts that monitor their health factor on Canto Lend. And if their health factor drops below a certain value, they can get an alert. So let's jump here and I'll show you how easy it is to create an alert. We drop in that same Discord webhook, and I've currently got connected my dev account. So I'll go dev health factor alert, smack create. So anytime it's below 1.5, I want to get an alert, which it is right now. So I should be alerted immediately, and I was. So this is an example of what the health factor alert would look like. And this is the alert that we created earlier, where we have the link, dbank link, the from to, and then a link to the transaction. So as you can see, it's highly configurable what alerts you can create.